perspective, whether that's just one additional person's, personal story in their life.
And we're not just a distributor of this movie, but we're also filmmakers ourselves. We make our own content.
The two-way bridge between Hollywood and Japan, and that the two-way is actually quite important to us.
We like to go into Q&A. So I like to start. I have a few questions for Kaka, and then we'll open up to for questions for everyone.
This Canary is set in this post-apocalyptic monster-infested world where we use that as a vehicle to explore this universal subject of bullying. And as you all kind of witnessed today, Taka's vision is something that Fortunate truly believes in and supports. And we all hope that after tonight you guys do as well. We hope that the next time we hold a premiere of this caliber, of this size, it will be for Canary. And we hope that when we do, you guys will all be there, supportive, eager, and excited, just like tonight. Thank you.